Hey guys, so we have here our linear shower drain, and over time these drains usually tend to clog because of dirt and hair, so that the water will not run away quick enough when we're taking a shower and our shower kind of starts flooding. So we're going to clean this in this video, and all we need is pretty much just a piece of paper towel. And the first thing we're going to do here is lift up this metal piece. We're going to either slide our fingernails on the left or the right side, then you can lift up this entire panel. Or if you are not able to do that, then just put like something skinny into one of those holes on either the left side or the right side of the panel, and then lift it up that way. So you can already see here there is a bunch of grime and dirt, even hair on this panel. So we're going to just wipe that off here on the bottom side. And then of course here right in this receptacle area, that's where all the dirt and hair and stuff is, here right by the drain. So we're going to use our piece of paper towel. We're wiping everything off until this is all nice and clean. You can see here how much hair I've been pulling out of here. It's like a whole mouse size lump of dirt. And then all we have to do is just put this metal panel back in place, this grill here, and that is pretty much it. So now it's all nice and clean, and the water will flow out as expected. Yeah, that was already it for this video. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below. Now I'm just going to show this video one more time here upside down, because of the YouTube's policy or the way that they're handling YouTube shorts. I don't want this video to be short. I want this to be really a real video. And yeah, so I need to fill up more than 3 minutes. That's why I'm showing you this video upside down one more time. It's really no reason to really stay put and watch this again, unless you're really curious about seeing if anything different happens. Maybe this piece of metal will fall down now because of gravity, but as you can see, no, it doesn't. So yeah, let's clean this one more time. You see I'm wiping off all the dirt. And then also here in this basin here where the water is supposed to flow into, you see all the dirt that's in here. Taking my paper towel here, and you can see all the hair and grime that I just pulled out of here. So that's what was pretty much blocking the water, prevented it from leaving here our shower fast enough. Yeah, again, thank you again for watching. If you have any more questions or comments, then leave a message below.